People have used tattoos to tell stories for centuries. About 32% of U.S. adults have at least one, with nearly a quarter having several.
This will symbolize his dad covering the mother as protection.
The tattoo artists at the Good Life Tattoo Shop in the East Village of San Diego take great pride in their work, focusing on both exceptional artistry and client safety.
The slightest chance that there's some bacteria in my ink, I wouldn't even know. If they didn't get it tested, I wouldn't have any idea about it. And then I would just assume that it might be something that I did. I just try to make sure that everything I do is clean, so that the chance of an infection or anything is significantly lower.
While tattoo aftercare can be a major infection concern, new research from the U.S. Food and Drug Administration found that 35% of tattoo and permanent makeup inks they tested were contaminated with harmful bacteria. 75 inks in total were tested. Dr. Arisa Ortiz has studied cosmetic tattoos.
At the university, we see all kinds of complications to tattoo inks, not just infections, but autoimmune reactions, allergic reactions. This paper really brings up an issue that needs to be looked at more closely.
Despite the risks, many tattoo enthusiasts are willing to accept them for the sake of their artistic expression.
I did the shoulder piece, the armor, and then the cross on his forearm.
Kyle Dorsey says he has no hesitation about getting more tattoos. Each of his pieces has special meaning, like this one commemorating his grandfather.
Dog tags from his time in the Army Air Corps. I put it here in my bicep because it symbolizes the strength that he gave me.
Anthony Concepcion's mentor and tattoo artist, who goes by Takuya, says each ink bottle can be traced back to the specific brand and batch in case they need to file a complaint.
So I've seen different brands come up and different brands disappear, but I stick with those that are tried and true.
Takuya says that in almost 3 decades of creating art, he has never had to report a case of possibly contaminated ink and hopes it stays that way. Heidi DeMarco, KPBS News.